Poonam Prabhakar is a pro-Telangana MP. She was speaking to our correspondent earlier. Here's what she said.
Sir, what is your expectation? The BJP it seems has come around, but there is still opposition from the Congress MPs, also from the TDP. There seems to be a lot of protest happening in the streets of Delhi. So how do you really see it coming through?
We struggle from 13 years or 55 years for Telangana. That they are struggling, they are fighting in streets of Delhi from few days only. And we don't want to fight my Srimandra brothers. Please cooperate for bifurcation. We full hope on our leadership, Srimati Sonia ji and Rahul ji. They given a word for Telangana, and BJP also unconditionally ready agree for Telangana formation. If any problem for Simandra, we are not opposing Telangana people for Simandra benefit, but bifurcation we want. Because this is the oldest demand, we were up to 1956 separate state. That's why we are, our people, 4.5 crore people asking separate Telangana.
We've seen pepper being sprayed. We've also seen almost at the knife point things turning ugly in the parliament. Do you see that sort of scenes? At least 16 MPs have been suspended. We know at least 9 Seema Andhra MPs still could be inside. Their own ministers are opposing. So how do you really see the situation panning out?
That type of vertical division is there. They are going any extent to oppose this, and we are trying to get Telangana. That is the point of twist. That's why we are asking. There is a democracy, there is a constitution, process also going by constitution. Why they are opposing, we don't know. How can they forcibly to want together?
One final question. The BJP has come around, has agreed. Do you think the bill will be passed in this parliament session, or you think the future of Telangana is bleak?
100%. My 4.5 crore people are waiting today. The bill will be passed. Congress will for that to bill pass.
With or without discussion?
Yeah, so many states are passed like that only. Previous BJP when formed 3 states, there is no discussion. They are passing in Dean only. You go by record. There is a record. So that is not a new thing. It is not an undemocratic system. If they are not agreed to discuss things, the political parties' consensus, it will be passed. What is the problem?